Okay, welcome back. So I ordered something from Tesla. I just saw this a couple weeks ago and decided to order it. It's the Cybertruck projection lights. It's actually a really small box. I was expecting bigger, but so we're gonna get that installed. So let's start by opening it. Right here, I guess this one just peels off. So you just grab it, peel it off, and I don't know if they have the instructions in here. Guess not. So I guess you scan that, and that's where you get the instructions. So let's scan it. Okay, so I scanned that, and that just went to all the documents. It's actually easier just to go through the app, click on the item, and click on instructions. But first things first, open the left door. Should we start with the left? Okay, we're starting on the left door. So to install the left projection light to the left front door panel and the right to the right front door panel. So on these, do they say right and left? Hopefully they do. Yep, left, L. And the other one says R. Front. Okay, so it does say L and R. So though. Okay, install the left projection light to the left front door panel, the right front door panel. Open the left front door and fully lower the left front window. So you'll need to lower down the window fully. It's all the way down. And you use a screwdriver to pry tool to pry the existing pull light out of the bottom of the left front door panel. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm under the vehicle, well, kind of under the vehicle, and you're supposed to just pry this off. Prying. Is this the right one? Hopefully this is the right one. Just prying it out. Okay, and you can see right here there's a cable attached to it back here. Not sure if you can see it. So you're supposed to pull that out. So I'll pull that out and get the thing installed. And I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay, so you're not supposed to pull it out too far, just in case. Okay, I'm not sure if you see it, but yeah, I took the other light out, attached it, and now I'm supposed to put it back in. So let's go. Okay, so I don't know if you see it, but I got it installed. This little spot is actually a little smaller than before, so I had to push it in harder. But yeah, it's projecting. You can barely see it right now, but I'll probably come out later at night and show it. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side now. Okay, rolling down the window all the way down. Okay, now let's get under. So, to remove this light. Okay, so screwdriver or pry bar, pry it out. Okay, it's easier without holding a camera in my other hand, so taking. Okay, so I got this one installed too. So that's what you see on the ground. It's a little tough to get in, a little harder to get in. It's a really tight fit. But yeah, really tight fit. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'll probably come out here later at night so we could see it a lot more clearly. Okay, so that's me installing the Tesla projection lights. It's not really hard to install, so you have to pretty much open the door, of course, roll down the window all the way down so it doesn't damage the wiring. Use a screwdriver or pry bar, pull out the light that's right there, pry open the connection, then connect the new one, then put the projection light in. It's a little tougher because it feels like the projection light is a little bit bigger, so it takes a little pushing or nudging to get in. So once it's in, it looks pretty cool. It was $75 on Tesla's website. Right now, I think when I checked, it was out of stock, but I'm sure it'll come back in stock. And I'll probably do another video later tonight to just show you what it looks like at night on the ground. So if you guys like stuff like that, I hope you hit the like and subscribe button and leave comments down below on what else you want to see. There's other items I'm considering on getting and probably talking about. So I'll see you guys around. We're going to see what it looks like. It's dark outside, opening the door right now, and there it is. It's pretty cool. It's pretty sharp too. Yeah, and that's the end result. The lights up there, shining down right here.